In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep for note-taking and build you second brain, 5 minutes. Google Keep is a simple, fast way to capture ideas anywhere and turn them into a trusted system you can rely on. Start by heading to keep.google.com in your browser, or download the Google Keep app on your phone or tablet. Sign in with your Google account so everything syncs across your devices and you're ready to go. On the main screen, click or tap the field that says Take a Note. Give your note a short, clear title, then add the details in the body. You don't have to hunt for a save button. Keep saves automatically. Just close the note or tap away when you're done, and it will appear on your home board. There are several note types to fit different needs. A regular text note works for quick thoughts, meeting takeaways, or links you want to remember. If you're tracking tasks, switch to a checklist using the checklist icon, the box with lines. You can check items off as you complete them and reorder them to keep priorities straight. For visual thinkers, open a drawing note to sketch diagrams, outlines, or wireframes. On mobile, try a voice memo by tapping the microphone. Keep will record your voice and transcribe it into text, which is perfect when you're on the go. You can also add an image note by attaching photos from your device or snapping a new one, great for whiteboards, receipts, or slides. Once you've captured your notes, make them easy to find. Use the paint palette icon to assign colors. Many people color by context, work, personal, errands, or by status like next, waiting, and done. Add labels to categorize your notes. You can select Add Label or type a hashtag style label inside a note to keep related ideas together. Labels act like folders without the hassle. Keep important notes top of board by clicking the push pin icon to pin them. When a note is no longer active but still useful, archive it instead of deleting. That keeps your main view clean while preserving the content for later reference. To ensure nothing slips, set reminders using the bell icon. Choose a date and time or even a location so a note pops up when you arrive somewhere. And if you're working with others, click the person icon to share a note and collaborate in real time. Great for grocery lists, project outlines, or trip plans. With these features, quick capture, flexible note types, smart organization, timely reminders, and collaboration, Google Keep becomes a lightweight second brain. Start small, be consistent with titles, colors, and labels, and watch your ideas stay organized and actionable.